Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow WhatsApp Web to ask for shared tabs permission on your PC. This new update brings enhanced functionality to your WhatsApp Web experience, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin with opening WhatsApp Web on your computer. Simply launch your preferred web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar WhatsApp interface. Now, pay attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. Next to the web address, you'll notice a small icon, usually a padlock or an eye symbol. Click on this icon to view the site information. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options related to the website's permissions and security settings. In this drop-down menu, look for an option that says Site Settings or something similar. Click on it to access more detailed controls for WhatsApp Web. This will open a new tab or window with a comprehensive list of permissions and settings for the site. Scroll through the list of permissions until you find the Shared Tabs option. By default, this might be set to Block or Allow. What we want to do is change this setting to Ask. This means that WhatsApp Web will request your permission each time it needs to access or share information across multiple tabs. To make this change, simply click on the drop-down menu next to Shared Tabs Permission and select Ask from the available options. This small adjustment gives you more control over your browsing experience and ensures that WhatsApp Web respects your privacy preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully configured WhatsApp Web to ask for shared tabs permission on your PC. This new update allows for a more secure and customizable experience, putting you in control of how the application interacts with your browser. Remember, you can always return to these settings and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced WhatsApp Web experience.